So we would like to thank Donna Sirena Photography for making the audiovisual presentation played a while ago.
Yes, we'd like to call on our board of tabulators to please hand on to us the final results. Ay, ito na pala. The first minor award to be given, ladies and gentlemen, is our Miss Playsuit. To hand on the award.
Photographer's Choice
I
Award.
stand corrected. We will start with our special set, special awards. And we will start with our Photographer's Choice. Or
So
our
may
Miss
request
Photogenic.
may request one of the representatives from Donna Sirena Photography to award the the Photographer's Choice Award. Photographer,
Number one.
representative from the photographers. Okay, the owner of Donna Sirena
One of our
Photography.
major sponsors tonight. Palakpakan po natin
Okay.
si Ma'am Donna, please.
Let's proceed. Photographer's Choice Award goes to candidate number... Photographer's Choice Award goes to candidate number 1. The best smile among the all candidates showing the Victoria.
Really a beauty that could launch thousands of sheets.
Yes, I hope I have that kind of beauty. The near future.
Why not, Papa na?
Diba? Pero murag liso na siya kay anak kong lawas para sa iya.
Ayaw lakas.
O gani. Mga 12, mga more than 5 years, mga more or less 5 years pa rin ko kamo. Para maging anak akong lawas.
Sa hindi mo achieve ang imong ipangandoy nga lawas.
Gani.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, let's have now our Miss Facebook. Miss Facebook,
So, the
the way
Miss...
of, choosing our Miss FB tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is actually by gathering all likes, right? And she gathered around 788 votes. You are, as of 12 noon, ganina lang. Okay? And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss FB, it's you, contestant number 5.
Miss Facebook is no other than candidate number 5.
Galing talaga ni Ma'am Donna. Ang ganda ng mga pics.
Compliments from Donna Sirena Photography Studios.
Photography talaga. Congratulations, contestant number 5 for
Let's
becoming Miss FB.
Yes, let's proceed to the awarding of Best in...
It's time now to award our minor awards. And we will start with our best
Best in
place.
Place. Wearing an average score of 87%, you are the Best in Place candidate number 2. Sit at the center stage.
We would like to request presenters of the award, please, do the honor.
Yes. To award the Miss Best in Place may request Miss Lori Ann Haryo, the SK Chairwoman of Barangay Tres de Mayo, to be assisted by Mr. Miss Joy, one of the SK councilors of Barangay Tres de Mayo.
Congratulations to our contestant number 2, bagging Best in Play Suit. And now, the next minor award to be given is our Best in Creative Attire. To present the award, please.
To present the award, may I call Mr. Charlie Riponte, one of the SK councilors of Barangay Tres de Mayo, to be assisted by the events organizer of Mutya ng Tres de Mayo 2012, Mr. Ronnie Villarino.
Presenters, please do the honor. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, this year's 2012 Mutya ng Tres de Mayo Best in Creative Attire goes to the woman who actually wear the Mulawin-inspired costume. It's your contestant, number 7.
Candidate number 7 is Miss Demi Segovia. Thank you so much, candidate number 7, and